Welcome. In front of me is a Infinix Zero Ultra, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now before we get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector, which will be required so we can pop out the SIM tray. Now if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now next thing, if you have some kind of case on your phone, do take it off. And the tray is located at the bottom of the phone, as you can see right over here. So using this tool, you want to push it in and the tray will pop out. And when you take it out, you will have space for two different SIM cards on either side. Now you can utilize only one of the trays, you don't need to use both of them, and it doesn't really matter which one you use. So I'm going to place it on the front, I guess, and then pop it back in, which will automatically start working. So I think this is the reception for the SIM card. So there we go, that's basically all you need to do. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.